Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Excuse me. I hope very well. I'm at a new place, Matt's famous chili dogs. I drove by here several times and never stopped in here. Now he asked me if I wanted to eat it outside, but so they put it in a tray, which is a little unusual, but I'll just take it back inside. I got the Chicago dog, the chili cheese, or the chili dog, and then I got a small fry with the sauce. I wanted to try the sauce, so I'll turn the camera down and give you a good look at it here before I take a bite. So here we go. Now they actually had onions on their on both of these, but I said no onion, and I said nope, none of the stuff I didn't like. So I just got pickle, tomato, onion, or mustard, and a small fry. And then the chili dog. I'm gonna open the fry sauce. I'm gonna try that. It looks just like the ketchup mayo blend that I've been getting. And tastes just like it too. It must be a universal sauce. It doesn't taste bad. It just surprises me that nobody kicks it up a notch like Red Mill does. Alright, anyway. Let's try the, I guess, deconstructed Chicago dog, since I asked for a lot of stuff to be taken off. I'll show you the menu here when I'm done. Alright. Pretty good hot dog. Alright. Go ahead and take a bite of the chili dog. Wow. It's really good. Alright, so here's the food again. I think hot dogs are kind of underrated. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll bring it back when I tell you what. Yeah, I enjoyed that a lot. That was really good. I would go inside and record the menu board, but literally since I parked, there's been a line out the door. I might throw a picture in, or just turn the camera and show you. We'll go over the menu. I might go over the menu in another parking lot, so I'm not taking up a space. I might do it at home, something like that. But let me show you this line. Yeah, see, there have literally been people outside waiting to get in since I've parked. So, all right, so I'm working on the video, and I realized I didn't get the menu again. Like twice now. So here we go. Serving Seattle since Georgetown. I'm gonna make sure I link this in the description. So let's hit the menu. It's Matt's famous chili dogs. So they don't have a huge menu. That's it, which I really appreciate, because when you have a smaller menu, I feel like you can focus more on the quality. So chili dog, mustards, onions, chilies, which I asked for no onions. I don't like onions, so that was easy. $4.65, not bad, I don't think. Chicago dog, it had mustard, diced onions, sweet relish, tomatoes, dill pickle, sport pepper, and celery salt. And all I got was onion, No, all I got was tomato, pickle, and tomato. I wanted to try the dog, a little bit more basic. And they actually didn't have a basic dog. I mean, they had a Polish sausage, but anyway. So they got a Seattle dog, grilled onions, cream cheese. If you've not had cream cheese on a hot dog, it's surprisingly good. I don't know, maybe that's just a Seattle thing, or it could be everywhere. But we have a New York dog, mustard, onion red sauce, sauerkraut, just like the streaks in New York, which I've never been to. Slaw dog, the chili, or onions, chili, and coleslaw. I got a kraut dog, mustard and sauerkraut, Polish dog, spicy but not hot, served Chicago style. The Polish sausage made with both pork and beef. Spicy Polish fire dog, they call it. A veggie sausage. Then surprisingly, they had burgers too. They had a double bacon cheeseburger, which I'd kind of like to go back and try. Double cheeseburger, double burger. It was a double cheeseburger, then double burger, then spike your burger by adding jalapeno for 69 cents. Or you can add a patty. I'd go with the double bacon cheese though, because that's my jam. And then they have fries. Just the plain. I got the regular fry for $2.49, but they have a large $3.99. Then you can go with cheese fries, chili cheese fries, or spike your fries with jalapeno. And then of course they had the fry sauce, which just was the regular. And then they have your basically your drinks. They had Coca-Cola, and then they had shakes. But I try not to buy drinks or shakes. I try not to buy drinks because actually I already had a soda in my bag, my work bag, but sometimes I'll get a milkshake. It just depends. So simple menu, but like I said, I like a simple menu, and they had good food.